Hello, boys and girls, and happy Friday. This is Mr. Langini here, and I'm going to walk you guys through just how to get onto the website to take the two tests that you guys have to do today. So you guys are going to go to your search bar right up here, and you're going to type in test.linkit.com. Okay? And it's the same website for both, and it says enter assignment code. So you're going to go and put in the code for whichever test you are planning to take. So if you're going to be taking the math test, it's going to be 0001 W I V I D. When you hit submit, what happens is you're going to see a list of all the boys and girls in the class. You're going to find your name. Once you click your name, I'm not going to click any because I don't see my name on here. You're going to hit select, and it's going to lead you to the start of the test. Now, all of you should have it set to where the questions can be read to you. For math, you have a calculator on there if you need it. There's a protractor if you need it. If you are not seeing any of these accommodations, if you're not seeing any of these things to help you during the test, then let me know and I'll try to change things to help you out. But you're going to go, you're going to answer this, you're going to do this the very best you can. Don't get frustrated if you don't understand something. All right? I only care that you try your best. Take your time. You do not have to rush. Just take your time. Believe in yourself and answer the questions to the best of your ability. Make sure you answer every single question before you submit it. If you need to take a break, you can go get a drink, you can go to the bathroom, and you can come back and you finish the test. Okay? So then that's what you're going to do. And when you have to go and log back, when you go to take the other test, you're just going to go and put the other code in. I will show you. So for the language arts, it'll be 001 8 O L C W. And when I hit submit, once again, you will see your names here. You'll find your name, you'll click, you'll hit select, and then you'll be able to start the other test. You do not have to do them back to back, but you do need to get them both done today, and today, which is Friday. I'm not wearing the same clothes 2 days in a row. I'm recording this on Thursday. All right, boys and girls, so that is all. Good luck. If you need me, reach out to me on Class Dojo or reach out to me on Google Classroom, and I will be able to try to help you the best way I can. All right, you guys have a good day.